In today's video, I will tell you the names of things.
I'll tell you the name of things.
In Igbo language. Okay, mommy is going to ask you some things and you tell me the meaning, okay? Jajire, what is avarangidi?
Blanket.
Correct. Clap for yourself. Okay, what is uteuzo?
Doma.
Correct. What is oche?
Chair.
Wow, correct. What is akwụkwọ?
I don't know that one.
Okay, akwụkwọ means book. Say book.
Book.
What is efe?
See the type of book. See the type.
Okay, what is efere?
Agarangidi.
Efere is plate. Say plate.
Plate.
Good boy. Now, what is ngaji?
Ngaji. Sewa.
Say spoon. Say spoon.
Spoon.
Ngaji means spoon. Say spoon.
Spoon.
What is igbe ntoyi?
I don't know that one.
Say fridge.
Fridge.
Good. What is ite?
Utezo.
No, not otuzo. Ite. Ite.
Nkita.
No, ite is pot. Say pot. Ite is pot.
Tell me that one again.
Ite. Say ite.
Pot.
Pot. Correct. Oh yeah, what is nkita?
Nkita means what did they even call it?
Nkita.
Avarangidi.
Nkita is dog. What's the name of your dog?
Well,
Nkita means dog.
I'm afraid of dog.
No, you don't need to be. Dog is your friend, okay? Okay, what is ochicha?
I don't know that one.
Ochicha is cockroach.
I don't like cockroach.
I know, but just for you to know the Igbo name, ochicha means what? Cockroach. Say cockroach. Cockroach. Okay, what is okay?
Avarangidi.
It's not true.
Avarangidi watermelon.
Go away. Okay means rat. Say rat. Say rat.
Rati.
Rati. What is odum?
Oduma.
Odum means lion. Say lion.
Say it again.
Odum.
Lion.
Yes. What is mbe?
Fish.
Fish is azu. Say azu. But mbe means tortoise. Tortoise.
That's all for today.
Keep watching. Keep liking. Keep sharing. Keep following. Till I come your way next time.
Bye. In there,